Hi, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we're going to see our weather application project overview. Right. So on my screen you can see my weather application. So I'll just going to hit the backspace button in the search bar and then I'm going to enter the city name. So let's say I'm typing Delhi. I want to check the temperature of the Delhi, right? And then I'm going to click on this search button, right? So now you can see that the temperature of Delhi is 28 degrees Celsius right now, right? And you can also see this text mist, right? Now suppose I want to check the weather of London. So you can see that here the weather is right now is 20 degrees Celsius and it is showing overcast clouds, right? Now I'll check for New York. So you can see that on New York currently the weather is showing 26 degrees Celsius and scattered clouds, and also there is image is also showing, right? And I'm checking one last, right? So I'll be typing Paris, right? Now you can see that Paris, it is showing clear sky, right? And the temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. And at the end there is one footer section, designed, developed and deployed with love by Course by Sid, all right wizard, right? And in the background you can see that the color is changing, right? When it is when the background color is black, you can see that the text is appearing as white, right? Okay, so now what things you'll need to require to build this calculator application is first of all you need to require this Visual Studio Code. So if you haven't downloaded this Visual Studio Code, so if you are a Windows user, you need to click on this first one, and if you are a Linux user, you need to click on the second one, and if you are a Mac user, you need to click on the third one, right, to download this Visual Studio Code. Now the next thing which we need is Open Weather, right? Open Weather API. So if you don't have your account, you need to create your account on Open Weather, because we'll be going to use this in our weather application, right? And third one, for the deployment we'll be using github.com, right? So if you don't have your account on github.com, you need to click on this sign up button and you need to create your GitHub account, right? So okay, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. And in the next video we'll be creating index.html file, then we'll work on style.css, and then we'll work on script.js file, right, to make this weather application. So okay, thank you, that's all for this video. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel. Thank you, that's all. Thank you.